Yo, what's up? It's Coach Nick. Money in the house, ladies and gentlemen's and ladies. So, in this episode, we're going to do a stock review. We'll be taking a closer look at Genius Group Ltd, ticker symbol G as in genius, N as in Nancy, S is in Sam, and it is a New York Stock Exchange stock. But before we get started, if you'd like to get our stocks picks early, before they show up later on social media, or if you'd like to learn how we trade, make sure to check out our pre-market picks private member Discord subscription. The link is in the description. Remember, we're not professionals, nor are we financial planners. This video is not intended to be stock or financial advice. This show is for entertainment purposes only. Da-da-da-da-da-da! Always do your own due diligence. You do you. That being said, let's get right into it. Genius Group Ltd is a company specializing in providing technological solutions and services to businesses worldwide. Recently, the stock had a parabolic run with a 1,200% increase from when we first called it out in our private Discord for our private members on January 13th, 2023, when it was trading at only 40 cents. On January 19th, 2023, 6 days later, we also mentioned it on Twitter, and the stock reached a high price of $5.45, doubles, $5.45, before pulling back significantly on Friday's afternoon trades. Now, the primary catalyst for this run was the company's announcement of a plan to combat alleged illegal naked shorting of their stock, which is a form of illegal trading where investors sell shares short that they did not actually borrow from a broker. GNS appointed a former FBI director, a FIBI, an FBI director, Timothy Murphy, to lead a task force investigating alleged illegal trading of its stocks, and then it first disclosed all of this information on January 2023. Another factor that caused this parabolic run for the stock is the fact that it had a low float. It only had 13 million shares, which is a relatively low float stock. So, strong news causes low float stocks to run parabolically, usually. In fact, we won't be surprised if the price rebounds several times as reports come out from Timothy Murphy about the alleged naked shorting against GNS stock. Now, other stocks also saw similar parabolic runs on Friday and Thursday, January 19th, 2023, and January 20th, 2023, as sympathy plays to ticker symbol GNS. Those stocks included COSM, Cosmos Health, and HLBZ, Hellbiz Inc. In fact, COSM had a parabolic run before its recent reverse split, which we alerted before it parabolically ran, and also alerted COSM after its reverse split when it ran 7,000%. Cosmos Health is a healthcare provider that specializes in providing healthcare services to vulnerable populations. It had several press releases recently, and it's worth keeping an eye on this stock as well. Hellbiz is a company that specializes in providing transportation, specifically e-bikes, and its CEO, Salvatore Palella, put out a tweet on Friday showing support for the CEO of Genius Group Ltd, ticker symbol GNS, and his promise to join the battle against the alleged illegal shorting. Like GNS, the price action on COSM and HLBC also faded downward in the late afternoon this past Friday. But we would not be surprised to see subsequent strong upward moves in price actions with COSM and HLBZ as well if they too report on their efforts against alleged naked shorting against the respective companies. This may be because many retail investors sympathize with microcap stocks that are heavily shorted. Now, of course, COSM also has a low float HLBZ has a thicker float, so that has to be taken into consideration as well. Overall, Genius Group Ltd, GNS, recent parabolic run can be attributed to the company's efforts to combat illegal naked shorting and the low float stock, or at least it's alleged illegal naked shorting. And it's worth keeping an eye on this stock as the task force led by Timothy Murphy continues his investigation. Once again, if you'd like our stock picks early, before they show up on social media, or if you'd like to learn how we trade, make sure to check out our pre-market Discord picks, and the link is in the description. You can go and sign up for our private Discord. Remember, we're not stock professionals or financial planners. This video is not intended to be stock or financial advice. Always do your own due diligence. That's the end of this episode. It's Coach Nick Money, and much love, and I'm out of here. Peace, baby. What's up?